myself Dr. Anjali, Assistant Professor, Department of Physiotherapy, RPIIMS. Welcome to our YouTube channel RPIIT Academics. If you like the content of this channel, kindly like, share and subscribe. Leukocyte release many toxic mediator which cause endothelial injury or detachment. Cellular events include the leukocyte recruitment to site of injury, extravasation, sequence of events in the recruitment of leukocyte from the vascular lumen to extracellular space, leukocyte activation at the site of injury, phagocytosis of particles, process of engulfment of solid particulate material by the leukocytes. Extravasation include the margination. Leukocyte assumes peripheral portion of lumen, rolling and adhesion. Leukocyte tumble slowly along the endothelium and adhere, detach and bind again. Diapedesi, transmigration of leukocyte across the endothelium. Chemotaxis, margination towards the site of injury. The role of endothelial molecule in acute inflammation is P-selectin, E-selectin, integrin beta 1, integrin beta 2 and the CD31. P-selectin are include in rolling, E-selectin rolling and adhesion. The chemical mediators include histamine, serotonin, lysosomal enzymes. Chemical mediators include the prostaglandins, nitric oxide, histamines. Now the chemotaxis is both exogenous and the endogenous substance can be chemotactic for leukocyte. These are the chemoattractants. Bacterial products, peptides with N termini, cytokinins. In most form of acute inflammation, the neutrophils predominate in the inflammatory infiltrate during the first 6 to 24 hours. Neutrophils are replaced by monocytes in 24 to 48 hours. Phagocytosis is defined as the process of engulfment of solid particles material by the cells, which are the cell eating. The cells performing this function are called phagocytosis. Degranulation and the oxidative burst destroy the engulfed particle. The phagocytosis, main type of phagocytosis cells are polymononuclear neutrophils, which appear early in acute inflammatory response, and the circulating monocytes, fixed tissue. It is also called as the macrophages. Phagocytosis include neutrophils and the macrophages, which reach the tissue space to produce several proteolytic enzymes. Here are lysozyme, protease, collagenase, elastase, lipase. These enzymes degrade collagen and extracellular matrix. Next is the phagocytosis. The microbe, polymer and macrophage involved are three steps: recognition and attachment, opsonization, engulfment, lysosome formation, killing and degradation, autodependent or autodependent by